Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can solve left 4.2 not starting or opening. This is a very annoying problem when you want to play the game, and I'm gonna show you now what I've tried myself and tested for the games that I'm playing and when there is a problem with the game not starting. So let's jump right into the video, and please leave your feedback, your results in the comment section. I'm really curious to see if it worked or not, so make sure you leave your feedback down below, and also make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I'll really appreciate it. Now let's jump right into the video, and what you have to do first is to head over to fix this problem, Windows update settings, and here update we can also update our Windows, but what you have to do is to click on advanced options, and here click on optional updates, and here just expand driver updates, and make sure you check all of this driver updates that you can see, and click on download and install. Okay, that's the first method. Now the second method is to go to device manager and just display adapters and click on update here and see if there's any available drivers for you. You can also click on the game and click on properties, and then here once you clicked on properties on the game you should see compatibility, and make sure you also run this program. You check on the run this program, and you check disable, and you check run this program as a mini share, and click on apply and okay. Alright, so I hope guys this video helped you. That's all I'm doing. So usually that you have to update your computer to the latest driver. That's usually what prevents or what causes the game to crash or not launch. Okay, so I hope guys this video helped you. Make sure you leave your results in the comment section, and I'll see you now in the next video. Take care.